Today, I'm showing you how I easily send recordings to my VA in Asana so that I can quickly explain something with visuals, making it a much more seamless process. So, in case you're new here, I'm Samantha, here to help online service-based entrepreneurs organize and streamline their business operations so that they can save time and mental energy and focus on the more important things. So, if you're an Asana user, this is going to help you be even more efficient with your team. Okay, so if you go into a task and say someone, look, I wrote myself a little example comment here, help me understand what to change. So say your team member, your VA, your assistant sent you something like that, and Asana gives you the option to type it out. Yes, you can add screenshots, you can add attachments, but sometimes it's just more helpful to record your screen and actually show what you mean in real time. Because typing can lead to miscommunication, especially if you need visuals to explain your answers. Sending a screen recording shows what you actually want your VA to do, which can make a huge difference and really avoid that back and forth thing, right? So what I use is this app called Tella. Now, I also have an affiliate link. I'll put it down below, and that's going to save you 30% off your first year. They're releasing more and more features all the time, but at its core, it's a screen recording software, right? But it actually offers so much more than that now. With Tella, I can record my screen, explain what I need to explain while showing what I need to show, and then just copy the link and then add it into Asana. So what I'll show you an example. So if I want to is this gonna work? Because I'm already recording with Tella. I'm recording this YouTube video with Tella right now, actually. So will it let me? No. Okay, it's not going to let me record a second video because I'm already recording this one. But essentially, you can see here, you can choose to use sound, use your camera, share your screen. You don't have to show your face if you don't want to. You don't have to talk if you don't want to. We didn't put makeup on that day. Our hair's a mess. It's just in a messy bun on the top of our head. That's how usually I roll day to day. Then we don't have to show our faces. We would just share the screen, share our voice, and show. So let's say that I clicked that record button and I wanted to show my VA this sales page on my website, okay, for my course here. So what I would do is I would go through, I would be recording my screen just like this, just like you're seeing here, really. I'd say, oh, this section doesn't look good. Let's change the font, or, just really explain things in a visual manner. And then what I can do, so I'll show you an example with another one that I've already recorded. So for example, this is this is the video I recorded right before this one. So if I wanted to just share the link, I can just copy the link here, or you can, click into it, copy the link up here, whatever. And then in this task, instead of here, I can comment, at my VA. I'll just comment at myself again. And then, because I'm in my demo account here, and then I can just say, here are the instructions. Oops. Oh my gosh, it's like someone watching over your shoulder. I can't type properly with you watching me. Okay. And then I just pasted the link in there, and then I can comment this, and then they have a nice visual video representation of exactly what I want them to do. So then when they're ready to complete this task, they go and watch it and they know exactly what to do. They go do the work, they check off the task, done and done. And you can do this in the description too. It doesn't have to be a response to a question that they're asking. It could just be, this is what the task is. Here's exactly how to do it from the start, which can be so helpful. You can also do this for SOPs, anything at all. So if you want to see more of what Tella can do, then I will link this video here for you to watch and show you more of what it can do. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.